Hey there, radicals! You're locked into the right place if you've been wondering how to lose belly fat naturally. We all know the struggle, right? That stubborn belly fat that just doesn't seem to budge no matter how many crunches we do or diets we try. It's frustrating and at times downright disheartening. But don't lose hope just yet. Today we're going to uncover some natural ways to shed that unwanted belly fat. But before we begin, it's important to note that I'm not a professional medical practitioner or nutritionist. These are general guidelines and your individual healthcare needs may differ. Remember to always listen to your body and follow your intuition. So, are you ready to embark on this journey towards a healthier, happier you? Of course you are! So let's dive into the natural ways to bid farewell to that stubborn belly fat. First off, consider saying goodbye to animal meat and dairy. It's not about following a trend, but about making a conscious decision for your health. Scientific studies show a strong correlation between the consumption of animal products and increased belly fat. The saturated fats found in these foods can lead to weight gain, especially around the midsection. But what if we shifted our focus to eating live, fresh, raw plant foods? A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and plant proteins not only promotes weight loss, but also improves overall health. Plant foods are naturally low in fat and high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied without the extra calories. Imagine fueling your body with vibrant, nutrient-dense foods that work in harmony with your system, not against it. By switching to a raw or plant-based diet, you're not only taking a step towards losing belly fat, but also towards a healthier, more energized you. Remember, your body is your temple. It deserves the best fuel. Next, move more and move intentionally. Physical activity is a boon to our bodies. It's not just about the calories burned, but the overall health benefits that regular motion provides. When we're active, our bodies are better equipped to manage insulin levels, which can help reduce belly fat. But don't be intimidated by the word exercise. It doesn't necessarily mean grueling hours at the gym. It's about making movement a part of your everyday life. This could be as simple as a walk around the block during lunch, dancing while doing household chores, or taking the stairs instead of the elevator. The key is to find something you enjoy, so it doesn't feel like a chore. Remember, every step counts. You can also explore fun activities like yoga, swimming, or cycling. These not only help in burning calories, but also bring a sense of joy and satisfaction. Movement is medicine, and the prescription is free. Now, let's talk about two secret weapons: sleep and stress management. You might be surprised to know that a lack of sleep and chronic stress can contribute significantly to belly fat. When our bodies don't get enough rest, our metabolism slows down, making it harder to burn calories. Simultaneously, chronic stress can cause our bodies to produce more cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage, especially around the midsection. So, how can we combat these silent saboteurs? Firstly, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a restful environment, establish a regular sleep schedule, and avoid caffeine and electronics before bed. Secondly, manage your stress. This might look different for everyone. It could be a daily walk in the park, a yoga session, or even a quiet moment with a cup of tea. Remember, it's not about eliminating stress entirely, but finding healthy ways to cope with it. Rest and relaxation aren't luxuries, they're necessities. Finally, I invite you to join the 21 Days Raw Challenge. It's a journey of transformation, where for 21 days, you'll consume nothing but fresh, organic fruits and vegetables. This challenge is not just about losing belly fat naturally, it's a holistic approach to wellness. Imagine having an accountability partner and a support system that cheers you on as you make these beneficial changes. That's what the challenge offers. And to guide you through it, grab a copy of the 21 Days Raw Planner. If you're looking for year-long support, consider joining the Raw Fam membership on Patreon. This platform provides you with valuable lessons on wellness, from what to eat to how to grow your own food at home. Remember, your health is your wealth. It's about making conscious choices every day for your well-being. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, raw love my radicals.